For over 4,500 years, the Pyramids of Giza have stood as timeless sentinels of ancient Egypt, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. These towering monuments were built to withstand time itself. But how did an ancient civilization, without modern technology, construct one of the greatest wonders of the world? How were these massive pyramids built? What secrets still lie within? And could they hold the key to an ancient knowledge lost to history? Today, in just minutes, we unravel the mystery of the Great Pyramids. The Great Pyramid, a marvel of ancient engineering. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, is the largest and most famous of the three pyramids. Originally standing at 146 meters tall, as high as a modern 50-story skyscraper, it was the tallest man-made structure for nearly 4,000 years. But what's even more astonishing is its precision. Each of the 2.3 million limestone blocks used in its construction weighs between 2 and 15 tons. That's the weight of 2 elephants per block. Even today, with modern cranes and equipment, replicating such a structure would be nearly impossible. But the real question is, how did the ancient Egyptians move these colossal stones? Some theories suggest one massive ramps. One idea is that the Egyptians built long, sloping ramps to drag the stones up. But this would have required more materials than the pyramid itself: 2 pulley systems and wooden rollers. Others suggest they used advanced lifting mechanisms or transported the blocks on wooden sleds across sand. 3. Water lubrication. Recent discoveries indicate that Egyptians may have poured water over the sand to reduce friction, making it easier to drag the stones. 4. Lost ancient technology. Some speculate that the Egyptians may have had engineering techniques we still don't understand. But the mysteries don't stop at construction. The hidden chambers and cosmic discoveries. For centuries, explorers and archaeologists have searched for hidden rooms inside the pyramids. Then, in 2017, scientists made a shocking discovery. Using cosmic ray scanning technology, they found a massive void, a chamber larger than the Statue of Liberty, above the Grand Gallery. What lies inside this hidden chamber? A lost burial room? Ancient relics? A secret passage? No one knows yet. But one thing is certain: the pyramids still hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. The Great Sphinx, guardian of the pyramids. Standing near the pyramids is another enigma: the Great Sphinx of Giza. This 20-meter-tall statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh has puzzled experts for centuries. Some believe it was built to guard the pyramids, but others think it predates even the pyramids themselves. And here's where things get even more mysterious. Beneath the Sphinx, researchers have detected underground tunnels and chambers. Could these tunnels lead to hidden secrets of ancient Egypt? Could they hold the lost knowledge of the pharaohs? The mystery remains unsolved. Theories and myths. The pyramid connection to the stars. The positioning of the pyramids is no accident. They are perfectly aligned with the cardinal points: north, south, east, and west. Some experts believe they mirror the Orion's Belt constellation, possibly symbolizing the Egyptian belief in the afterlife. But the most controversial theory? Some claim the pyramids were built with help from extraterrestrials. The perfect symmetry, the advanced engineering, and the alignment with celestial bodies. Could these ancient structures really have been built with otherworldly knowledge? The Pharaoh's curse, myth or reality? And then, there's the infamous curse of the pharaohs, a legend that states anyone who disturbs the tombs of the ancient rulers will face terrible misfortune. When the tomb of King Tutankhamun was discovered in 1922, several members of the expedition died under mysterious circumstances. Was it coincidence or something more? The enduring mystery. The Pyramids of Giza remain one of the greatest wonders of human civilization. They are more than just tombs. They are a gateway to the past, filled with unsolved secrets and ancient wisdom. So, what do you think? Could there be more to the pyramids than we know? Were they simply masterpieces of human engineering, or do they hold secrets beyond our understanding? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring history's greatest wonders, don't forget to subscribe to World in Minutes for more fascinating discoveries from around the world.